back to the Priime channel. We're gonna be doing things a little bit differently the next 2 weeks. So obviously, next weekend we have the Freedom 500 and Cletus and Cars. About 2 weeks before those events, our schedule is just a complete madhouse. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna deep dive into all the projects that we got going on, share way more aspects of our business than we've ever had with you guys before, and we thought that it'd be pretty cool.
I'm sorry, I tried to sneak out.
You're done.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, like I was saying, we want to show you guys all the aspects of our business, from design to vehicle wraps to the video stuff. We've done that a little bit, but I'm thinking, you know what? We're gonna do daily vlogs in the next 2 weeks until the Freedom 500. So quick, we're gonna run through this list. Storage containers for Danny Duncan, full Tahoe wrap and ceramic coating, full G-Wagon, the works, golf cart wrap, CLS roof and handles, full Justin Sponsor merch trailer. Jeez, 22 Freedom 500 Crown Vic event installs. Mini liveries, basically. The logo track wall at FF, they're spicing it up. We got to throw a brand new decal on the wall. It's a 45-foot decal. It's insane. Monte Carlo color change and livery. Ellis George's burnout truck, we got to finish that up. We got a full Jeep Gladiator, 86 skateboards. We got to fix some weld videos for another client of ours. Side-by-side blog tent. These guys gave away their merch tent. We're here to solve the problem. So we're gonna get him a new tent before next Saturday's Cletus and Cars. We have to shoot all the pre-recorded stuff still with Garrett. I know he's back and forth between Bristol, all the stuff he's doing, so our schedules are a little bit tough to match up, but we're gonna make it happen. You already know that. We gotta build all the camera kit, drop it off to the Freedom Factory. Our graphic designer is gonna be running all the graphics for this program, so we're gonna have one of the producers that is running the show come here, teach John. It's gonna be sick. We have Mac. Some of you guys might remember Mac, aka Bruce Chauncey. He's gonna be arriving Thursday morning. We have a full team test on Thursday, so that's basically running the entire show without actually being live. Then we have Freedom 500 on Friday, Cletus and Cars on Saturday. I don't know why it says Thursday, it just does. And then somewhere in there, I need new brakes for the Tahoe because there's literally no brake pad material left. It's metal on metal. I gotta fix the BMW, it doesn't even start. I don't know why. And swap the exhaust. I have a very ignorant turn down and I feel like showing up to the Freedom 500 with a loud car. You can't blame me, I don't know. And we gotta drop the G35 off to Jeff. This one we're gonna go ahead and do today. So that's gonna be sick. We're gonna talk shop, talk project, where we're at with that and what to expect over the next couple weeks. But there's a ton of cool stuff in here. Hope you guys like this kind of stuff because we're having fun doing what we do. And we really want to show you guys all different aspects of our business and brand and what it means when we say we're busy. So let's jump straight into it. Alrighty, first order of business, these 6 skateboards. So we did 17 of these real quick, and this is a vinyl printed application on top of the wooden skateboard and then just sealed. So we got 80, 86, 85 more of those and that project will be done. Jump over here. We got all the names, numbers, windshield banners, everything ready for the install on the 22 Crown Vics for the Freedom 500. It's gonna be sick. New wheels for the Jeep. There's 2 wheels in there. That means they're skinny. That means we're going fast. I'm telling you. The almighty G-Wagon. A little bit of a slower process, but we're taking it and we're making it absolutely perfect. The new barrels, those came out sick. So we got the Monte Carlo here. The guys are getting it, the first base coat of gloss black. Then it'll get all the decals after it's done. And then here we have a customer car. We're diagnosing just a little bit because it seems like the battery may have died. So I'm gonna have to get a new battery. That does sometimes happen if we don't shut a door all the way or something like that. Bev's is stressing out a little bit, but he'll be okay, I promise.
Yeah, I'm good. What happened?
Cue the sad music. Let me get down on a knee here. This is a big mistake here. So I made the cardinal sin of not proof checking one of the sides of George's new burnout truck. If you can read here, clear as day, this is no longer LS George, this is 2J George. People, George is an LS ripping machine, not a 2J ripping machine. So we're gonna go ahead and redo this side and potentially make some other changes real quick because they're picking them up tomorrow. Pray for me. Almost forgot. Clean golf cart color change for our buddy Adam. Gonna be sick, dude. Off-road tires, not a big deal. We got Justin's merch trailer. How we're gonna be able to get all this done? I don't know, but we always do. We're gonna get it all done, I promise that. There's no more G35. So we went ahead and took that over We'll jump to that in just a second. Yeah, we got some freed up space out here. But this is what's going on in the wrap world. Let's jump upstairs real quick. And up here in our office, it's been an absolute madhouse today. So Leo from Side by Side called me the other day. Said, hey, we may have made a mistake. We gave away our merch tent. I'm not sure how that actually happens, but you know what? We're gonna come to the rescue. We're gonna lock them in a fresh new tent for Cletus and Cars this year. Send them a couple proofs. Already shipped, it'll be here Monday. Dialed. In preparation for like the Freedom 500 and Cletus and Cars and bigger events like that, all the pay-per-view stuff, there's tons of meetings. So today we had like announcers call meeting, really just touching base with every part of the program that makes this all possible when I'd like to be riding my dirt bike. Also, new computing setup. We got the brand new MacBook Pro 16-inch, 64 gigs. Andrew and I both have them for editing. They've been powerhouses so far. Got the curved monitors. We're feeling good about everything. So that makes our life up here a little bit better. My last computer was 10 years old. So whenever I'd export a project, I could literally take a nap for 3 hours and it still wouldn't be done. So life has changed for the better now. So the G's no longer here. Let's flash back a couple hours and show you where we just brought it. All right, so what the plan is, we're gonna bring the car over to Jeff over at Super Performance Fab. We have an old aluminum block over there. We're just gonna throw some heads on, get the manifolds thrown on, attach the motor and trans, get that all plated up, basically figure out where the entire drivetrain's going, and we're gonna bring the turbo over there, the intercooler, we'll get all that stuff built over the next couple days. It's gonna be the sickest thing we've done to date.
Hot diggity dog.
All right, so basically, the motor and transmission are gonna go in there. We have a front plate for Motion Raceworks, and we have to figure out where on this frame rail we have to put the 2 tabs. So we're just gonna load all that in there. We're also gonna bring the turbo and build the small bracket arm to support the entire turbo. Yeah, we have the forward-facing headers. This is what we're gonna be building all the hot side stuff with. So once these are mocked up and the turbo's mocked up, just a little bit of fabrication left and we're good to go. So this goes on the front of the motor. And we're actually not gonna run motor mounts because we have a solid trans mount, front plate, and then we're gonna get those engine limiters from Motion as well to keep the motor locked and loaded. 78, 75 billet dual BB.
Woo! Get a little more room. There we go. We're good. Ooh. Oh, God.
Damn.
Dude.
Damn, watch the paint.
Unbelievable. Not ideal, but not bad.
Well, now that you're not in the car, it doesn't work.
I know. You did? What? Connects pretty good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's floating.
Yeah, shifter in the rear.
Floating transmission mounts.
It's basically
Not
a Corvette
bad.
now. Transmission in the rear.
There you go, dude. There you go.
Transaxle.
Headers in, I got the engine plate in.
Good, man.
Get the trans in, the engine in. That'll set our engine plate, mid plate. We'll get all that stuff set. And then we can get our headers in, bolt the heads on. We'll get a turbo location. We'll mount off of here, support that.
Okay.
Start working the hot side as well as we got the intercooler core so we can build the cold side as well. We just got to get the throttle body between here and there, and that's the only thing turbo system wise, drivetrain wise, getting all that set. We'll get the radiator hung.
Sweet. And while Jeff is doing all that with the mock-up motor, we're gonna kind of build out our legit motor back at the shop. So once Jeff is done with all this stuff, he can have his motor and all that stuff back. We'll take it back to the shop and then we'll do the final assembly.
Yeah.
So
then
that's the game
there,
plan for the next, what, 24 hours?
Yeah. We got
15 minutes. Yeah, we'll get it done. No, a couple weeks out, but we're going to show you guys updates where we're at the whole way. And yeah, she's going to be the fastest car we've ever built and owned. So that's going to be sick. feeling good. This is a big step for us. We've had this car for about 3 years in this state. So to finally be a few weeks away from having the motor and everything in the car and the hot side built out, and I already know Jeff's gonna work his magic, so we're really ready. We're not gonna do the cage right now. We're gonna get the car drivable on the street, and then as soon as it, you know, is tuned and can make some passes, we'll go ahead and bring it back to Jeff and we'll put a full 850 cage in it. We're gonna show you guys basically every step of the way. We'll get some photos and videos from Jeff as he's working on some stuff, and keep you all in the loop, because this is a car that we had before a lot of you guys followed us, and we're excited to bring it back. All right guys, so that does it for Wednesday. Hopefully this was a cool, quick little insight into all the things that we're doing, specifically these 2 weeks. Obviously this week is gonna be a lot of internal stuff, a lot of wrap stuff, things like that. Next week is where we're really gonna jump into all of the Freedom 500 prep, the Cleetus and Cars prep, the installation of the vehicles over there. But yeah, we figured, you know what? Let's try to put up some daily vlogs, show you guys progress on all the projects that we're working on. Again, let me know in the comments below if you guys like this kind of stuff. It's probably not that exciting, but I'm telling you, there are a lot of exciting things about to happen, specifically with the race cars and these awesome events we have coming up. So if you like this kind of stuff, stick around, because we're gonna have a video every day between now through Cleetus and Cars. So that's gonna be just a plethora of awesomeness. So I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow. See you later. See you later. See you later.
Fun fact for today. Did you know that the amount of force that you need for a carrot to bite down on a carrot is the same amount of force that you need to bite off a human finger?